Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reinvest dividends on etrade. Dividend reinvestment is a powerful strategy that automatically uses your cash dividends to purchase additional shares of the same security. This simple action can significantly accelerate your long-term investment growth through the magic of compounding. etrade provides an easy-to-use platform to enable this feature, helping your portfolio expand without needing extra cash contributions. Let's dive into the steps to get this set up. Once you've logged into your etrade account, your first step is to navigate to the correct section. From your main dashboard, look for the Accounts tab, typically found at the top of the page. Click on this tab and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Dividend Reinvestment. Select this to access the settings where you can manage your preferences for how dividends are handled across your eligible investments. On the Dividend Reinvestment page, you'll see a clear list of all your eligible securities that currently pay dividends. For each individual security, you'll have the option to either receive dividends as cash or to reinvest them. To activate dividend reinvestment, simply select Reinvest for each specific holding you wish to enroll. After making your selections, carefully review them to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm your choices to apply these changes to your etrade account. Congratulations! Your dividend reinvestment settings are now active for your chosen securities. This simple yet powerful strategy ensures that every dividend payment automatically buys more shares, significantly accelerating your portfolio's growth through compounding over the long term. Remember, you have full control and can easily review or modify these settings whenever your investment strategy evolves. Enjoy the benefits of your investments working harder for you, building wealth one dividend at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.